guys, it's Jackie, and I just wanted to show you how I like to do my makeup. So we're gonna jump right on into it. This is my eyeshadow primer. It's from Avon. And I just take a little bit on my finger and slide it right on. We're gonna be doing like a Rasta look today. So I'm gonna be taking one of my brushes. It's pretty much just a normal flat brush, and my 88 Ultra Shimmer palette from Coastal Scent. And we're gonna be going to this green color right here. And we're gonna be putting that on our inner corner. Once you have a good amount on your inner corners, like as you would do with like a white or like any other color that you might highlight your inner corners with, you're gonna go in again with a different brush. This one's actually a concealer brush, but you can use for anything if you put your mind to it. And go in with this yellow shade, and you're gonna pack it all onto like the base of your lid. And sometimes with like the packing technique, like you might get like a little bit of fallout underneath your eye, but just don't worry about it because you could wipe it off after with a baby wipe. I personally usually do my foundation first and then my eyes after, but when it comes to like shadows like this and like looks like this, I like to do my eyes first and then do my face. So now we're going to be going in with an angled brush, and we're going to be going for this red color down here. And we're going to apply that to our outer corner at an angle, so that way when we apply our eyeliner, it just fits right in. I like to kind of go towards my crease and blend the colors out a little bit. And we're going to go back to the yellow and make sure it's really pigmented. And then you can go back and touch up anything that you missed, like anywhere along the lines. We're gonna go in with our Ico London eyeliner. Now we're gonna go in with our Tarte Base Tape primer. And with our new skin, new color, advanced tinted moisturizer, and our beauty. We're just gonna apply that evenly all over. Now we're gonna go in with our Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer. Now we're going to go in with our new color finishing powder. It comes with a little poof. Last but not least, and actually maybe not last, we're gonna do our brows. Oh, and I'm using the Avon Ultra Luxury Brow Liner in blonde. I like to go and outline the bottom and then outline the top and then fill it in, brush it out. You could use one of these. You don't have to. after this, you can go and apply any false lashes that you like. I'm gonna go in with my Bella Hair eyelashes. Got these off Amazon. We can go in with a highlighter, like this white one, and a little brush underneath your eyebrow on your brow bone. And then we're gonna go in with Trustique. It's a mini highlight stick. It's really pretty. I'm gonna put it on the nose, along the nose, on the chin, coming out from the forehead. All the spots that the sun would normally hit your skin. You do it here too. After that, we're gonna go in with this other highlight stick. It's called Candlelit. I don't know. It says Teeny Beauty. We're gonna apply that to our cheekbones. We're gonna go in with a highlight brush and the Radiant Glow palette. We're gonna go in with the gold shade and apply it. And finally last but not least, we're gonna go in with our face contour by Luscious. Has a highlight and a bronzer, but we're just gonna be using the bronzer. You can tie this look up with anything you want, your favorite gloss. This is mine. It's from New Skin, actually. It's a Power Lips Fluid in the color Roar. So yeah, thanks for watching.